How do you convert metric units of capacity? Think about this question during the lesson. The most commonly used units of capacity in the metric system are the liter and the milliliter.
Can you find a liter or milliliter in the real world?
Would you measure the amount of water in a sink using liters or milliliters? Explain. You would use liters because a liter is a greater unit and a sink holds lots of water. Susan has 1.875 liters of water. How many milliliters is this? Which operation should you use to convert liters to milliliters?
Select your answer.
To change a larger unit to a smaller unit, multiply. Find 1.875 times 10 to the third power. How do you multiply 1.875 by 10 to the third power? Move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So, Susan has 1,875 milliliters of water. Jorge has 3,500 milliliters of water. How many liters is this? To change a smaller unit to a larger unit, divide. Find 3,500 divided by 10 to the third power. How do you divide 3,500 by 10 to the third power? There is an understood decimal point after the second zero. Move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So, Jorge has 3 5/10 liters of water. Now you know how to convert metric units of capacity.